Now it's time to get some answers. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the woodsman. You're not the woodsman. You're that gorgeous counselor from Big Moose.
I'm Jessica.
If you don't mind me asking, young lady, why are you sneaking around our camp after lights out?
I didn't mean to scare you guys, but some of our camping equipment has gone missing, and, well, I thought it might be you little moosers playing a prank.
Little moosers don't pull pranks. We leave that to those snobs at Camp Big Moose. No offense.
Stolen camping gear? Monster attacks? What is going on?
Get out!
You don't have to tell us twice! I think we lost him. Like I spoke too soon. Maybe he'll give up. Scoob, now is not the time to stop.
No more move.
You okay?
No.
Me neither.